It's the year 2021, and inflation is steadily rising day by day. And with it, the cost of fuel has also risen dramatically. Although inflation has affected almost everything, people who drive cars have been particularly hit hard by such high fuel prices. It now appears that taking public transportation, rather than driving a personal car, is the better option. Taking public transportation, on the other hand, has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and not everyone can handle using it daily. Well, even though this is a major problem, however, there is no need to worry at all because the existence of electric cars is now a very affordable, renewable, and budget-friendly alternative to gasoline-powered vehicles. They run on electricity and undoubtedly save a lot of money. In today's video, we'll show you 10 of the cheapest electric cars available for you, all to purchase and use. But before that, go ahead and like, share, and comment on our videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get all the updates. Electric cars have rechargeable battery packs that can be recharged from the grid. They look as stylish as a regular car, and they are unquestionably trendy right now. These cars also are environmentally friendly, with zero emissions and low operating costs. Though, charging may take some time, which is not a big problem considering the advantages it serves. Electric cars are on their way to completely replacing engine-powered vehicles in the next few years, and this is surely not an exaggeration. The top 10 most affordable electric cars are as follows. Number 10. BMW i3. At number 10, we have the most unbeatable BMW ever, the BMW i3. The car has no engine at all because it is entirely electric, and it is also significantly lighter than most vehicles in its class. The car has yet to be released in India, but it was first shown at the 2016 Delhi Auto Show. The manufacturer's suggested retail price for the car is $44,450, which is pretty much affordable. The car's developers also claimed the maintenance and operating costs are about 40% lower than regular cars, and it comes with a 2-cylinder engine that also serves as a generator, as well as seating for nearly 5 people. It has a top speed of 150 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.2 seconds. The BMW i3 surely is a cutting-edge electric vehicle with cutting-edge technology and a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and luxury. Number 9. Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3, an incredible car with a very modern interior and an amazing driving experience, is another affordable car on our list. Coming with an MSRP of just $39,940, Tesla has once again demonstrated that owning an all-electric, environmentally friendly vehicle does not have to break the bank. The size and design are truly unrivaled. Even the tires have a dual design that you can switch between. You also get a Tesla app, through which you can control all of your car's necessary features, such as locking it, checking the battery, and you can even adjust the temperature inside the car. How cool is that? The supercar has a top speed of 162 miles per hour. It is also fully autonomous, meaning it can drive you wherever you want to go without you having to do anything. Number 8. Kia E-Niro SUV. If you're looking for a car that's even less expensive than a Tesla or a U3, check out the Kia E-Niro, which cost $39,990. The entire car has an SUV vibe to it, which is pretty much the best combination of style and elegance. The car also comes with an incredible 10.25-inch touchscreen display and a voice command navigation system. The car made its debut in 2021 at the Seoul Motor Show and is expected to be available in India by 2023. The car has a massive top speed of 167 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in mere 7.8 seconds. You can even adjust the car's interior environment, and the steering wheel is far more comfortable than any of other cars. All the buttons in the cars are designed with a metal touch, and the back seat is pretty much wide enough to fit 3 people comfortably. Better not miss out on this car if you are thinking of buying an electric SUV. Number 7. Hyundai Kona Electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric is India's first all-electric SUV with a host of exciting features and a range of 450 kilometers on a single charge. The car is very affordable, with an MSRP of $34,000, and its efficiency is truly unrivaled. With a long electric range and low operating costs, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 9.7 seconds and features a sport mode for a completely thrilling driving experience. The car's innovative technology includes a shift-by-wire automatic transmission as well as an electric parking brake, which is not found in almost every electronic vehicle. With a very elegant interior and modern interiors, the car comes with an 8-year battery warranty, which surely wouldn't be available anywhere else. Number 6. Mazda MX-30. We have seen a flurry of amazing electric cars, and this one, with an MSRP of $33,470 and a $7,500 tax credit, should definitely be added to the list. The car has a 35.5 kWh battery and a range of 124 miles. In the spring of 2021, the car became available for purchase. The interior of the car is very modern, with a 7-inch driver's display right in front of you and a 7-inch touchscreen for adjusting the climate inside. In comparison to any other regular electric car, Mazda took a very different and unique approach to designing this electric car. It appears to be a regular engine car at first glance, and the fact that it is an electric vehicle is difficult to believe. Even the car's doors are pretty unique. So, if you're looking for a car that's a perfect blend of style and affordability, and incredible features, this is surely the one to get. Number 5. Hyundai Ioniq Electric. The Hyundai Ioniq Electric is the next car on our list. The car is just as elegant and stylish as it can be, not to mention that it is significantly larger and more spacious than the Kona Electric, and even the Mazda MX-30. This car looks a lot like a Tesla, and the first thing that catches your attention is the incredibly designed tires. The car's MSRP is about $33,000, with a tax credit of up to $7,500. It has its own set of really cool features, such as an amazing bonnet that makes it look pretty fresh, and even pixel-styled headlights. The car even has door handles that pop out when you approach it, which is a very cool feature. The car's exterior is made out of 9 different colors, and the interiors are futuristic in appearance, with 2 incredible 12-inch touchscreen displays right in front. Number 4. Hardtop 2-door Cooper SE. The Mini Cooper Electric SE of 2022 is without a doubt the only car that has piqued people's interest due to its existence, appearance, and the fact that it is electric. Mini's most iconic model, the hardtop 2-door, was given an electric powertrain in place of its sporty engines. With an MSRP of $29,900, the car is still small but gas-free and very affordable. It's a 4-seater vehicle with 3 trim levels. The well-equipped Signature comes first, followed by the more technologically impressive Signature Plus. The iconic trim, which comes standard with an upgraded touchscreen and navigation, is at the top of the line. Roof rails are optional on all trims, and the 8.8-inch screen is available on either of the first 2. The car comes with a standard 4-year battery warranty, as well as enough convenience and technology features to keep you happy. Number 3. Electra Meccanica Solo. The Electra Meccanica Solo, which has an MSRP of only $18,500, is undoubtedly the 3rd car on our list. With it only being a 3rd-wheeled car, this car is as unique as it gets. The car was developed by a community called Meccanica, who decided to develop an electric car after developing a lot of sports cars and many other cars. The main idea behind the development of this car was to develop a small EV that would only have a room for 1 person, making it a 3-wheeled vehicle, and also for it to be named as Solo. The car is certainly more efficient, and it only weighs around 1,600 pounds. Despite its small size, this car is quite spacious, and it makes you feel like you're flying every time you drive it. So, if you are looking for a really unique out-of-the-box electric car, do check this one out. Number 2. 2022 Chevy Bolt EV. On the 2nd number, we have the 2022 Chevy Bolt EV, which has an MSRP of $31,000 and a tax credit of up to $7,500. The car has a 250-mile range, and the exterior is stunning. The Bolt is futuristic in appearance, as well as clean and sharp. The LED headlights are mounted creatively and uniquely. With a front camera mounted directly in front, the tires look great, and the interiors are even better. This is another 5-seater vehicle with plenty of legroom and headroom for your comfort. The car also has its car assistant that uses real-time information to keep you updated while you're driving. Available through My Chevrolet app, which is so goddamn cool and unique that it's hard to leave it off this list. Number 1. 2022 Nissan Leaf S. The 2022 Nissan Leaf S is unquestionably at the top of the list, as it is one of the most incredible and important vehicles that will position Nissan for the future like no other. This car is only $27,400 and can be had for under $20,000 if you qualify for the $7,500 federal tax credit. Because of its angular features and elegant styling, the car appears to shine in the sunlight. The car also has good sensors that allow the gates to open automatically whenever the owner approaches the vehicle. The car has a range of 200 miles, and there's no need to sacrifice comfort while driving because it has modern interior and plenty of cargo space. A 40 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery powers the vehicle. The car is not to be missed, with its spacious interior, optional semi-autonomous driving mode, and brisk acceleration on Plus models. So, according to us, these are the top 10 most affordable electric cars you can own. Every vehicle on this list has some incredible features that should not be overlooked. Electric cars are unquestionably the way of the future, and having some truly amazing electric cars with added features is just the icing on the cake.